Awesome. Today is my birthday. I am turning 16. I will invite some of my friends over. But wait a minute, something sounds off. It's probably just the fact that the happy birthday music doesn't exist anymore.
Happy birthday, Jonah.
Thanks, Jake. Now let's open some presents. This first present is from Rad. Awesome. I got a $50 Nintendo eShop card. Thank you, Rad.
No problem, Jonah.
The second present is from Javi. Yes! I got a Rod soundboard. Let's see how it works.
Whatever! Fuck off, asshole!
Thank you so much, Javi.
You're so welcome.
The final present is from Jake. It is outside. I can't wait to see what it is. No freaking way. Jake, you are the best. I got a new car. I can't wait to get my license so I can drive it.
I knew you'd like it.
Let's go inside and eat some cake. Before we eat the cake, let's sing the happy birthday song.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Jonah, happy birthday to you.
Now let's eat cake. What was that? I'm gonna go check it out.
Did you like my entrance, shithead?
Caillou, you know you're not welcome here.
Oh come on now, you're just jealous that I'm going to take your spotlight. Isn't that right, Jake? Caillou? Fuck off! Well, you guys suck. What did you get?
Like I'm gonna tell you. I've seen these birthday specials before. You just end up throwing a tantrum and destroying the shit I got.
Is that cake I smell? Give me some.
Caillou. Get out!
Never. Was that your new car in the driveway?
Don't you think about it, Caillou. And he's gone.
I can't believe it. I finally have a car all to myself. I can't wait to show it to everyone. Her loss. She should have moved out of the way. Now let's see what tunes are on this bitch. Nah, too sad. This gets played too much. There we go. Uh-oh! I just hit the gas pedal when I was trying to hit the brakes to start a traffic jam. I'm going over 135 miles per hour. Oh man. I am so screwed when I crash.
Oh, my fucking god. Caillou. How fucking dare you crash Jonah's party and destroy his new car? Jake had to buy him a new one because of you. And I had to pay over $2,000 alone on surgeries. That is it. You're grounded for 260-170-260-270-160-160-160-170-160-160 90 years. Go to your room right now.